Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the Google Chat standalone apps on your computer. So to the point, go to Google Chrome and yeah, you can install the Google Chat standalone apps on your computer for a simple way to use the Google Chat. So you can go to select the grid icon at the top right corner, and you can select chat, or you can type in URL bar. Just type chat.google.com and just click enter on the keyboard. So you can find the install button um, at the top right in URL bar right here. So here isn't appear because I have installed it. So if you haven't installed it, that will appear here. Just click on install button right here to install the Google Chat standalone apps. So after you install, it can be launched automatically like this and appears on your desktop. Alright, that's how you can install the Google Chat standalone apps on your computer. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.